CashJuice has everything you need to make money online. In 2015, I was asked if I had to start a brand new business all over again, how would I do it? That was the start of CashJuice. Doesn't matter whether you already have a business or whether you want to make some extra cash online, CashJuice has something for you. CashJuice is free to use, easy to use and great fun. Making money doesn't have to be difficult. Don't hesitate, sign up right now, it's free. Don't wait for someone else to take your place.
CashJuice is a community of people who are all connected by the desire to earn money online. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner or you own your own online business. There's something for everyone on our free-to-use website. You can learn, teach, advertise, follow, message and compete. We have a unique way for you to see who the real experts are, the people that lead the way, and you can follow what they do right here. And then there's our app. Download the app and access everything from your favourite Apple or Android phone or tablet. Check your stats, write posts, message and much more. Above all else, CashJuice is fun. Don't delay. Join for free today.
Welcome to CashJuice. So I'm now going to show you the post rotator. The post rotator is a quick and easy way for you to be able to promote your posts in the CashJuice community for free. It's really simple. All we need to do is set up a campaign, then we're going to earn some credits, and then we're going to use those credits to be able to promote our posts. So the first thing is to click on Add Campaign. Then we need to select the post that we're going to want to promote, and then we need to choose the language. So the language helps us target the post, and we click on Save. And that's it, your campaign's now set up. So next we need to click on either the Apple or the Google logo and download the app. So I've downloaded the app. I can log in using the same email address and password that I used to log in to the website, and then click on View Posts. So here we can now click on the Start button and we can see the first post. There's a counter at the top that counts down for 5 seconds. When it gets to 0, I can either swipe with my finger or click on the next button. You earn 1 credit for every post that you view. So once we've viewed our post, we can now go back to the dashboard page on the website and we can check our stats. And I can see here that we've got 3 credits on the system, and I've also got 2 hits, which means that 2 of those credits have already been used to promote my posts.
Get started today.